So it's still up on this little granny flat here, and so I've lifted the sheet out, and you can see they've got some kind of foil with a foam back on it in here. But see, this is how it sits in your roof, right? And this sheet here is just sitting down. It's not sitting up on the joist because it doesn't make it, and so any hot air just flows in through under there. Into the rest of the roof space. So this sheet's not doing anything at all, this sheet of insulation, right? It doesn't matter how good it looks or what rating it's at or anything. If the hot air out of this space just flows underneath there, and then once it's under there, it's into the whole rest of the roof space. And on a tiny little granny flat, that actually makes a big difference. That's 5% gaps reduces your efficiency by 70%. So and it's the same at this end. I mean, it doesn't matter what the rating is. If any of this has got air gaps in it, then it just doesn't work. So we're going to pump insulation underneath it and fix it up.